And gentlemen, yeah. We got another one here. Yep, working outside jobs. We're gonna take that bad boy off right there. A motion sensor. We're gonna swap it with that. That one's broken. And guess what? We're gonna install one of these bad boys. That's right, the ring. Pretty basic. All right, we're gonna go through the process. Very simple. We're gonna remove that guy. Always make sure your power's off. Then we're gonna hang this guy in place, and we're gonna have the customer sync it up to his Wi-Fi, and that'll be it. You know what I'm saying, kid? Bam, ring. Bam. Remember, stable ladder. It's the most important part when you're working aloft. Watch out for that moss on the chimney. You don't want to breathe that in. That's not healthy. All right, let's get back to it. Bam, ring. Fixtures. You have to remove the main screw right in the middle here. You can see it down there, all right? And this will come right off. We got an external box here, okay? And we're gonna be using that. We're gonna just put our fixture right on top. Looks like they got tape or something on here. We're gonna take a look at it. Always make sure the power's off. So we're gonna need a voltage tester and a screwdriver to get this bad boy off. Off, it actually unplugs, and you've seen my last fixture I put in on a video. You got your neutral, your power, and your ground, and you're going to need a little screwdriver to back those screws off right in there, right in here, and then you take your lines off. And we're going to take this plate off by removing this screw. All right, open up the ring. You have it here. Comes with a plate. This plate has to be mounted up in that box up there, okay? You got the ground wire, the green for the ground, obviously, okay? And you see where it says up? You want to position that just like this, okay? And then this unit will basically tie in, okay? And it's pretty basic. And then we'll just adjust the lights when we're finished. There's an installation kit here, and in this kit it has some screws, I believe, and it has a hook. There's a hook here and some screws, and you see those white little nuts. The white nuts will hold the fixture on. So there's only two there. You have another tool here. If you look at the tool, you have the tool here, and if you pull this out, you can see here, you see that? That's to put those white nuts on to tighten, and I'll show you how we do that. And then if you know the ring, you have the little, this is like the locking key, all right? There should be a hook. All right. And here it is. We have the hook. That's gonna hang the fixture up there while I wire it to give me like a third hand, and then we have the wire nuts. So let's get to it. Once you get your plate on, you're gonna put your screws in, your 4 screws, okay, if you see them. This comes with like 6 different screw sizes, so whichever your junction box is, or your gang box size is, the screws there. Now, like I said, you wanna have this up on the top, and what I like to do is put this level across and make sure we're level. We got a nice level screw, see that? Make it level, and then you can tighten down your screws. And then we're gonna hang the fixture with that hook that I talked about. Take that hook, you're gonna put it right on that lip, and then you're gonna hook it through the hole. So now this is free to work to make your connections. Our hot and our neutral, okay? White to white, black to black, ground to ground. When you're done with your wire nuts, you wanna tuck your wires inside the hole here. Get it nice and neat, get everything tucked up in the hole. Then I'm gonna lift it up, swing it right into these holders, and we're gonna put these on the ends. You can take that hook off now, but be careful. Now that it's on, they're gonna test it. He has it on. He's gonna turn on his camera, and I'll get up there and adjust it to where he wants to be pointed. And that's it. That's how you install a ring floodlight. And he'll go through the process of testing it. All right, we're all set with the job. Now what you have to do when you're finished, what do? We clean up. Grab the old trusty rigid kit, This is how we do it at people's houses. Follow me. That's how we do it at High Ridge Handyman, bro.
Yeah, Sonny.